It's a 2018 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride. Upscale interior and many luxury features come standard. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.